What's up, YouTube and all my babies? It's your girl Receivers coming at you with another video. And before we get started, please make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. I really do appreciate it. If you're new, welcome to the family. And family, what's happening? What's up? So in today's video, y'all know I love me some perfumes, and I wanted to get some dupes of some perfumes. So I'm not going to do any notes. I'm going in this blind. They're all sealed. And we're just going to play the guessing game. And before we get started, have you ever noticed that rainbows and Five Below sell the same thing as far as perfumes? Now, unless I'm tripping, comment down below if you notice that Five Below and rainbows sell the same perfumes and colognes. That's all I'm saying. Y'all, so I have this dirty, disgusting bag full of goodies, y'all. It's and my handy dandy scissors. So I haven't even opened this up yet. I'm gonna take out this bag, y'all, because this bag is filthy. Alright. So I purchased all of these except for one from Rainbow. The other one I purchased from Five Below. So, they're all in bubble wrap. Yeah, I love bubble wrap. It's so relaxing. So, supposedly these are supposed to be designer dupes, or inspired by. Now, I do know who they're inspired by, but hopefully they smell like them. Taking out the wrapper. So this is Paris Sparkle. Purchased this from Rainbows offline. And this is supposed to be a dupe for... what is it? The dupe for Paris Hilton. I believe it's called Razzle. It's like a cherry perfume. So here's the packaging, which it actually looks similar to the Paris Hilton one. So we're going to spray. For some reason I'm into cherry smells, so it's supposed to be like a cherry. And it actually smells like it, y'all. I'm not even lying. So I get like a cherry, possibly like a pear, a little bit of bergamot. But this smells like cherry. So if you like cherries and you don't want to pay for, what is it, Paris Hilton Dazzle, which is around, because it's an oldie but goodie, but it's around, give or take, $24, $25. Maybe you can find it for $21. If you want the real thing, buy it. If not, Paris Sparkle. That's pretty good, y'all. So the next one, because y'all know me, I wear men's cologne, unisex cologne for women. Y'all, if it smells good, I don't care. Y'all, I don't like something broke up in here. So this is Gemini. This item is not associated with the makers of pie for Givenchy for men. Why put it in? Just why? So this is supposed to be the dupe for Givenchy. Y'all know who that is. That's 2 Chainz. Oh, y'all, that sounds like something's broke. I'm not happy. Y'all can have one job. Oh, it's broke. Well, the thing broke off of it. It's supposed to be like this or something. Yeah, I think it's broke, but whatever. So let's see how this smells. I never smelled pie for men, but because with, what is it, Rainbows, for 1 it's $4.99, and for 3 you get what you get, 3 for $10. Oh yeah. It smells like a powdery scent. If I had to guess, like cedarwood, a little powder, heavy on the bergamot, heavy. It smells masculine, but if you like masculine smells, then forget about it. The next one this is called, now that one was Gemini, the other one was Sparkle Paris. Now this is Victoria's Gold limited edition, and this is supposed to be a dupe for Versace, what is it called, because I actually have the oil for it. Versace Euros. Now I got this little bitty oil. I think this thing was like $8 off Amazon. So this is what it's supposed to be. So we're gonna see. Yeah, so I heard my stomach rumbling. Don't judge me. And try not to eat after a certain time. I'm over here drinking water. So this is a cute little bottle. So let's see. I am shooketh. Hold on. I'm going to take my little... Oh my goodness, y'all. Hold on. Let me be fair. Hold on now. No, it smells similar. Mm-hmm. Better tell the truth, shame the devil. Y'all. Now, I'm not going to say, you know, if the, how long it lasts, if that's the same. No, I'm not saying that. But as far as similar smells, don't shoot me, I'm just a messenger. So the next one is supposed to be, well, the next two, because the other one I purchased from Five Below. That's why I'm just like, Five Below and Rainbows still the same perfume. If you think I'm lying, go online to Rainbows, look at the perfume, then go into Five Below. So both of these, or this one in particular, they're supposed to be the dupes to, I believe it was the KKW emoji type perfumes, and this is in Kimberly's, the shade, really, Kimberly's Sinful Berry. Not sure if you can see that, but it's strawberry. So let's just see, because I wanted a sweet smell, and I love chocolate smells. So let's give it a chance to work it on up. I don't like that one, sorry. You can strawberry, a dash of chocolate, smell a little rosary. What is that I'm smelling? Something smells fruity, but yeah, that's not my cup of tea. That's going away. That'll be somebody else's present. My family, they love what I don't like. Sometimes I'm like, you want it? Because I don't like to be wasteful, you know. And this is another KKW, Kim Kardashian West. This is called Kimberly Sweet Cherry. I believe this is also another dupe of the emoji perfume, if I'm not mistaken. And this is supposed to be some Sweet Cherry. Ooh, almost dropped it. Oh, this is cute. Even though it looks like a little apple, but it's supposed to be a cherry. I'm confused. So let's see. Now, so far, the Gemini, the Victoria's Gold, and the Sparkle. For some reason, I want to call it Dazzle, but it's not Dazzle. I like those so far. I don't like it. I don't like it. It smells like, you can smell cherry. And I don't want to be a negative Nancy, but a Robitussin what is it, cherry cough syrup for children. If you ever had to take that nasty stuff as a child, that smell, you know that smell is distinctive. And it just reminded me of cough medicine. I'm sorry. You know, everything's not going to be a good thing. Some things are going to be a hit or miss. And 3, yay. 2, but we're not giving up. So yes, guys, these are buys of today's video. So definitely go check them out. And definitely go check out that coincidence. Like, I don't think it is a coincidence. Maybe it is, but y'all, Five Below and Rainbow, they're selling the same thing. I know I'm not tripping. Comment down below if you noticed that. I'll see you guys in the next video.